Hey, welcome back to my channel. JOYTUTUS 12-volt refrigerator. Fast cooling, JOYTUTUS portable freezer only takes 15 minutes to drop the temperature from 77 to 32. And it only takes 40 minutes from 32 to -4. Saving your money from buying ice outside doesn't matter how hot it is, it keeps everything exactly cool, even frozen where you want it. Just enjoy your funny outdoor picnic with your family and friends. 42-quart large capacity. There are two zones in this 12V refrigerator. The large one is 31.5 QT for freezing or refrigerating, controlled by the temperature you set on the screen, which allows you to keep ice cream, meat, or other freezing items here. The small one is 10.5 QT, only can refrigerate, is best for your drink, fruits, or vegetables. Touchscreen and Max Eco Mode. Designed with an touchscreen panel, JOYTUTUS portable fridge is intelligent and more durable than other fridges whose screen is controlled by buttons. What a thoughtful design that you can choose Eco Mode for energy saving or Max Mode for fast cooling in different situations. The car fridge has low energy consumption since the power of Max is 60 W, and ECO is 48 W, while the car navigator is 70 W. Battery protection and 35? Tilted, with the HML battery protection mechanism, the car refrigerator could protect your vehicle's battery from running out. It is allowed to work on the bumpy road even tilted at 35? During operation, the sound of the 12V refrigerator is about 45 dB, will not affect your driving and rest. Friendly customer service. Any product questions, do not hesitate to contact JOYTUTUS customer service. We will try our best to solve the problem and provide the greatest shopping experience. You will get 1*42 QT JOYTUTUS portable refrigerator with movable basket plus 1x6 foot AC adapter plus 1x11.5 foot DC cord plus 1* user manual plus 2-year warranty. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.